That's Twix and Bazooka. And here's Tootsie with her toy. And Snickers and Reese's are playing together. Here's Reese's. Tootsie's gonna get in on the action too. I want to show you Reese's heart. Oh. Snickers, are you getting that thing? It's a puppy frenzy. There you can see his heart. Uh-oh. He just sat in his water dish. Oh, he's gonna get in on it too. We're missing one. He's over there by himself. He's having a time. Oh, he's eating Levi's keys. And his own toy. This is a puppy mosh pit. Oh goodness. You guys are so tough. You're so tough. You guys are tough. Tough guys. That's Reese's and Snickers. Snickers, hi buddy. Hi handsome. Hi, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, are you going to talk? Are you going to talk about it? Oh, you want something? What is it? What do you want? Oh, I know, here. Hi, handsome. Hi. Hi. Oh, Reese's, you too. Hi, Reese's. It's Reese's and Twix.